guys, my name is 𝗧𝒢𝗄 Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are going to demat Andrea. So Andrea came all the way from Alabama, and she's got quite the mat, guys. So this is one big mat, and it's going to take 4 hairstylists, and you're going to have your hair back. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's going to have her hair back. How long was the drive from Alabama?
I think it ended up being like almost 10 hours.
Wow. And you've got your support system right here. That's your mama. All right. Are you ready to get this started?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I've got my dematting specialist, salon manager, 𝗧𝗢𝗡 here. You want to describe what's going on and how long do you feel like this might take?
So overall, it is on the firmer side, but as you see, when I squeeze it, it has some give back. So I felt harder, but there is also, I can tell, a lot of hair in here. But your hair's like super thick.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell. It's super compact. So we planned for 2 days, also being that Andrea is tender-headed. So we need to allow more time for like possibly breaks and just, you know, allow her to do a certain amount today. If we can't finish, then we'll go into tomorrow. But the goal is to finish in a day.
And she's had this matted for about a year and a half?
Yeah, about a year and a half.
Okay.
She's a swimmer, so
okay.
Chlorine.
Okay. Well, she drove 10 hours to get to us, and we are going to make sure she leaves this salon with beautiful, thick, long hair. You excited, girlfriend?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And if you want to, we've got her mama here for support. We gotta show off mama, okay? I will say it's always a good idea to have a support system when you are getting something like this done. So don't ever feel like I'm going into the salon, I can't bring somebody for the next 8 hours. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, and you should. So every dematting usually has a husband, a friend, a mom, somebody that's gonna, like they're just gonna join them and support them. And we're gonna take 4 stylists today, right?
Yep.
And we're gonna do this.
And we did that. Prior to actually getting our hands in the mat, we saturated her with a bunch of products. We work with different products just because every mat is different and not every product is going to work the same. We reevaluated the situation and figured out what was working best for us. We sat her under heat and got right into it. We give our clients as many breaks as they need through the strenuous process. We completely understand that this is not a day in the spa. This process is uncomfortable, and we try to let our clients know that as best as we can during the consultation. We are aware that it looks like a lot, but we work in a team because it is the most effective. If one person was working on this mat, it would take days to weeks, honestly. But we got our dream team and all hands on deck always. Especially when our clients get tender, we always have someone there to be an extra set of hands, to hold the head like 𝗧𝗢𝗡 is doing right here. Because the way I like to explain it is when we start this process, the mat kind of acts as its own holder. So as we're brushing, the hair isn't getting pulled directly from the scalp. It's getting pulled from the mat. So they don't really feel it until we break through that mat and actually get to the scalp. We always say when you start to feel it, that's when you know we're getting close to the end. Please keep in mind, guys, that some of our clients haven't felt their scalp in years. Depending on how long they've had their mat, even though it is not the most comfortable, it is a great relief. We are still in day 1, but look at the progress that our girls are making.
Two twist.
Well, this is already out, so I'm about to make a better twist.
Don't play. Like I said, don't play. Because this is us at the end of day 1. You see is us separating the hair to prevent it from getting matted again. Just a reminder, this is where we started this morning. Day 1, we worked 4.5 hours on our lovely lady and gave her the rest of the day and night to rejuvenate her scalp, give her a little bit of rest.
This is what we've got now on the left side. And if you want to keep turning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 braids left. And most of the mat is still left up under here. And tilt your head up towards the ceiling. Super. We've softened it up a lot. See? You can turn towards me. And all of this is out. Yeah. And we're gonna finish tomorrow.
And that is exactly what we did. We got right back into it. Day 2, still with a team of 4 stylists. If you do see different stylists, it's because our dream team is more than just 4 people. You or anyone you know is struggling with matted hair, please call our salon and book yourself a virtual consultation so we can properly evaluate your mat and then give you your own personal rundown on time and price, because every situation is completely different. Dematting consultations are always virtual just so that you guys can do them from the comfortability of your own home. Once we understand how we have to properly prepare for your appointment, only then can we look into the schedule and find the quickest availability for you. We understand the urgency in this situation, and you guys are our top priority. We will always get you in as soon as we can. You are not alone, and this is so much more common than most people know. As you can see, we have one side completely out and tied away, and that is to keep it separated from the matted hair we are still working on. We always get asked what we do to make our process so successful, and honestly, it's nothing magical, guys. It is just a lot of patience and determination. Our stylists are so hardworking, and they're not going to stop until the mat is completely out. The shortest dematting we've done was about an hour and a half, and the longest being 18 hours. So no matter what, our stylists are with you through and through. So I hope you enjoy watching them assassinate these mats, because these are our mat assassins. A name given to us by one of our clients. Final brush through. After we finish dematting, we give her a good love and scrub with an intense scalp massage. What this does is stimulate that scalp that hasn't been touched in a year, giving her love and positive vibes through my fingers while getting that scalp nice and clean. After we got her all shampooed, Anna stepped in with her magical scissor hands and gave her whatever cut she wanted. She did want to lose some length to ensure that all the hair that she does have is completely healthy. This will also prevent her from getting matted so easily, because sometimes the dead ends play a big factor. If you're wondering, this is included in the process. You get to choose what haircut and hairstyle you have at the end of your dematting service to tie together this lovely transformation. This is her seeing herself matless for the first time in a year and a half. And of course, we couldn't forget about Mama.
Beautiful.
A while. Feels good, right?
Lovely. She was so worried about it.
I hope that we surpassed your expectations.
Yes.
Enjoy us hyping our girl up. Lovely. Yeah. We are all honored to be a part of her journey. Thank you so much for trusting us with your hair. Vogue. Yes, yes, yes. Blow for me.
Happy tears, happy tears.
Yes. If you are struggling with matted hair, I promise you are not alone. Give Tone Hair Salon a call and we got you.
Shake it.
Yeah. With that. Oh yeah, girl. Yeah. How you feeling now? How you feeling?
Good.